Hello everyone. In this video, oh, we are going to upgrade from Windows Server 2012 of R2 to Windows Server 2025. What is the requirement? You must not using Windows Server 2012 R1 build 9 in 2009 to 200 because you cannot be able to upgrade to Windows Server 2025. You must using Windows Server 2012 R2. Check your version of Windows Server 2012 FR2 or 2012 R2. Check account info, and so as you can see, this is version 2012 R2. To upgrade it, you must download the Windows Server 2025 ISO. In Windows Insider, if you download, you must log in using Microsoft account. Just click this and enter your account, and so enter the code. Now after that, so you select Windows Server Insider Preview. Click select edition and select Windows Server 2025 Kernel Region. This is the Phoenix X version of Windows Server, and so click next, click on confirm. Now select the language and select United States and download the Windows Server 2025 Phoenix Insider Preview. Now after that, so open and mount the ISO, and so select setup button. Now we will see will in the Windows Server installation. Now in Windows Server installation, so click change how setup download update and select not right now. Standard edition, you must upgrade to standard edition. If you're using Datacenter edition, and you must upgrade to Datacenter edition. Upgrade to a different edition if you're using Datacenter not work, because as you can be keep files and apps on your computer. Now select Windows Server 2025 if Datacenter desktop experience because a score or Windows Server or you would not able to use it, and click next. Now click accept, and so you see guys, it's only two options. But if you're using in evaluation in copy of Windows Server 2012 R2, you cannot be able to keep your files and apps. Risk infiltrating in Windows Server 2012 R2 evaluation to full version. Just want to keep, I will select keep files and apps and settings. If you want to clean install and select nothing, what needs your attention. You're trying install a pre-release copy of Windows setup of uploading in or select enable. How to let your device plus flight signs build. You will then need to restart your device to continue. But I able to fix this and ready to install. And so click install now. Installation is start, and I will wait the installation until finish. Now your PC will restart in a few moments. Now your system will restart and update to Windows Server 2025. And you see guys, I'm using VMware loading files, and so as you can see now I will upgrade to Windows Server 2025. This is the Windows Server 2025 logo, but same I'm Windows 11 logo. And so as you can see my computer is working on update at 0%. Please keep your computer on. Your computer may be reset a few times. After that, you will see your computer is updating to Windows Server 2025. And so press Ctrl Alt to unlock. Now enter the your administrator password. Now enter the administrator password. Now you will see in Windows Server 2025, and now I will check the version. You see this version, and this is the Windows Server 2025 version 24x2. The build 26,534. All guys. Okay, so this is the Windows Server Insider preview, but you cannot be able to downgrade at the Windows Server 2012 R2 from Windows Server 2025 using go back option. If you open settings and so select recovery, and so you see guys now a go back option look like Windows 11, but at Windows 11 there's a go back option after you upgrade to Windows Server from Windows 10 to Windows 11, but in Windows Server no go back option. Reset this PC also no option in Windows Server. So please don't forget like down below and subscribe here if my channel notification is enabled, and subscribe this my channel. See you next time. Have a nice day.